Is it on the down? So you can see the box like this? Do you see my hands?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Your hands.
Yeah, perfect. So, yeah, nice. You can see it?
Mhm.
Yeah, perfect.
Do you want me to hold it?
It's a bit easier. So it's like the view.
Check if it's good.
Yeah. But if it's good? Schon, gell?
Warte.
Ja? Ja?
Das wird nicht so. Oh, lass nicht wackeln.
So we have to.
Dum, tada,
Dum.
dum, tada, dum, tada.
I don't want to open it, so I don't hurt the paper.
It's so good, the paper. Inside.
Whoa. Ah!
Did you wrap it? Oh, you're good at this.
You're good at rapping,
Thank you.
Roxy said.
I'm not good at this.
Hat er aufgenommen? Ja. Ist recording, ne? Ja.
Ja. Was ist mit der Schere?
Yes. It's a big. It's a big box. Ta-da!
I'm gonna go get my phone so we can try driving.
Yeah.
There's an app that you download.
It's called BB8.
Yeah.
You just type in BB8.
We're waiting for you.
So, there's the scissor. So we can. Well,
Yeah, this one. It's that.
yeah, perfect. And you have to turn on Bluetooth, I think.
Yeah.
It's over Bluetooth controlled.
Such a huge box for this small thing. Oh, that's good.
Is that the thing you wanted?
That's the thing I wanted.
I'm trying to download that, but
Does it clean the house or anything?
No.
I hope so, yeah.
And Roxy's hoping it, but I don't think
That would
so.
be nicer, yeah.
I don't think so.
For $100 I can get a Polish maid.
Yeah, it's true. She's gonna clean the house.
wait, I need to watch this.
5 minutes.
Yeah, we are almost.
Hurry up. It's opening again. It's not opening.
So. We don't hope Disney's gonna do that to Star Wars. Because we're watching the Disney Channel right now. Let's see.
I don't know why it's not working.
Really?
Something's
Dann lad's
wrong.
du runter, bitte.
The app or?
Ja, na sicher.
Like I tried to download it, but see look. See, I get all that. I put the password in.
Bitte.
Oh, look at it. That's
See,
nice.
I put the password in, but see, it doesn't work. It just goes back to what it was on. I think you can use your phone. No, it's not that one. It's on that. Can you use your phone?
My phone will confirm.
We have to try
Yeah,
it with
let
her.
me try on your phone. Yeah,
Are you in the Wi-Fi network from your house?
yeah, but I don't know, something's wrong with my phone. Oh, it's so small.
I also thought it's bigger.
It looks exactly the same as the model.
Yeah. Looks like the small model. Really? That's the funny thing. So that's the plate. Okay.
Do you have an app store?
Mm-hmm. I have to make some space just for that.
Oh.
It's a magnet.
Yeah. You have to take this part
It's-
off of the head.
Oh, I don't. Now it's like really trippy. And then it.
So weird.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And that's also magnetic. Okay.
Are you gonna take this little plastic off?
Yeah. Gonna take it off.
That's so weird.
Just wait to see the whole package.
That's magnetic.
Yeah. And then wait. Yeah. The people are so stupid because there is a guide in there. The people from the
How do you
review.
charge it? Is there a battery
Yeah,
in
no,
here?
there's a cable.
Oh,
look.
there's a cable.
But the people said on the reviews there's no manual in there. There is a manual.
Yeah, you just go on the app.
And the other manual is also to download on the app, so I don't understand the people. It's everything written in the box. You have to know. Okay, funny. Let's see.
I think you have to press this button.
Maybe.
Do you? Oh yeah, you plug the cord into here.
So I'm gonna take this off. So this and
Oh,
this.
I have a USB port somewhere.
Hast du's? Can I try it, Dushko? Just enter it so I can.
See, you press git, install, and then the password.
BB8.
Mhm.
Enable Droid.
See, and then when I press OK, look.
Yeah, then it's not right. The password. Try it again.
See, it goes back to where it was.
Okay, now get install.
See, I don't know why it doesn't work. I just put the password in.
Try to connect to the internet from your
I
home.
am connected to
No,
the internet.
it's LTE.
That's the internet that we have.
No,
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
There's a password.
Yeah, on the back. You have to type it in.